Let's make another She Brews coffee drink, and today I am going to make a s'mores latte, and I'm going to add some honey in there. It is a rainy day. I think we have a storm coming in, and I just want like a cozy drink. So I will share with you everything that you need. That way you can try this for yourself. I am doing it hot, so you'll just need your mug or your hot cup. You are going to want a s'more syrup, and then you are also going to want some honey. Let's start with the s'mores. I'm going to drizzle some honey. I'm going to melt that down with some espresso and mix well. Steam your milk of choice. And pour. And I'm going to add a little whipped cream. And that is how you make a She Brews Coffee S'mores Latte with honey. So good.